Hi there, Joan here with B-Techs DVLED here at InfoComm 2023. What we have here is our 3x3 TV LED wall using our 1.5-inch Philips display. And what it consists of is our horizontal rails, mounting one on the top and one on the bottom with the vertical custom brackets that we made to design specifically for that cabinet. Also what we have here is a 4x3 curved custom floor mount using a sharp NEC cabinet model. And for some reason, if you don't see a specific model up here that we make, feel free to reach out to us. All we will need is a 3D CAD file, and we'll be able to help you make the cabinet design fit specifically for the modular. So for more information, reach out to www.btechdvmounts.com.